You're watching MyTV20 News at 10. News you need, straight to the point.
A Metro Detroit woman is making a big difference halfway around the world with a project she's mostly funded out of her own pocket. But now she needs your help to finish it and change lives forever. MyTV20's Jorge Avian has the story.
If you want some excitement, come to Africa with us.
Sandra Crane from West Bloomfield is serious. She's looking for people in Metro Detroit to not only donate money, but their time to help finish building the Crane Center School in Uganda. Sandra has spent over $100,000 of her own money to build the hospitality training school in the town of Mbarara. The school was created to educate students between the ages of 18 and 22 years old that don't have the resources to continue their education after high school.
One of the gals in our first class, her name is Penina. She's 22 years old, and she has already opened her own little shop. So we're very proud of that.
So you guys are making a difference already?
We're trying to, yeah. We feel we are.
And the school's not even finished yet?
No, the school's not finished. We have about half of our first floor completed, and it's about 140 feet long and 40-some feet wide.
After participating in a church mission back in 2001 in Uganda, Sandra felt she needed to go back and do more work. So she has gone back 17 times since then to make plans for the school. The school makes it a point to recruit people from the most remote areas of Uganda.
Our manager goes out to different communities, and basically they're villages where they have little opportunity to do anything. And she talks to people in the villages and in the towns also, and invites them to come. We are trying to have them provide a little bit of their tuition, and then we provide the rest for them.
Back in Michigan, Sandra is looking for donors for the project. She's even decided to take a job at a private detective's office to continue paying for the school.
I work in the office. I do investigative work in the office. I actually once got to go out on a case, which was fun. But I basically work in the office.
If you would like to volunteer or donate to the project, visit thecranecenter.org. Again, that's thecranecenter.org. For MyTV20 News at 10, Jorge Avian.